use the bathroom?
No, I haven't gotten up yet.
So do you want to go?
I just want you to park and then I'll handle it.
It's open space. This should be rather pleasant. Alright guys, so we made it to Carowinds. This is our setup. Not too bad. We got a nice little pull through. We got our gazebo up in the front. Plenty of space for the slide out and everything on this side. Got full hookups. I have not hooked up the sewage yet, but we don't need it. I just emptied it out at Lake Lanier. So this is our setup for the next couple days. We might stay another night. Hey babe, I want to stay another night. What you think? Come on.
We have so much to do.
Don't be a party pooper. She wants to go back and get back to business. I'm like, come on now. Business ain't going nowhere.
We have so much to do.
It ain't going nowhere. It's gonna be there when we get there.
Oh my god.
Taking a ride around the campground, letting you check out Carowinds. This is a nice rig right there. Beautiful. Looks like a pretty standard place, similar to probably like a KOA or something like that. It's literally located right next to the Carowinds theme park. Nice area to camp. Lots of travel trailers that fit bills. Yeah, not as big as I thought it would be, but it's still pretty nice and cozy. Trees everywhere, so shade is abundant, which is something that we seek in the summertime, right? So no complaints there. So a pool right in the front entrance of the park, right across the check-in place. So it has all the necessities, plus it has the attractions next door. Dumpster right here. It's interesting how important it is to know where that is as a camper. Ooh, and they have a doggy station. A poop station and dumpster right next to each other. All we need is for that thing to get into our RVs, right?
Oh, I know.
That's all we need.
He's good. It's like the tree root. So what did you do? You see it? Well, I'm talking about it, but
Sorry to bother you.
oh, you're no bother. You're fine.
They don't bite.
Whoa.
They have teeth, you know.
I'm barefooted.
What?
What? What kind of snake is it?
Want to hold them?
Are you serious? Oh.
Damn crazy.
Yeah, black racer?
Yeah. He need to stay away from my camper though, that's all I'm saying.
You probably brought him with you.
Stay out of my territory here.
There he is. Get away from there.
Yeah, I just don't want it crawling up in my camper.
He's going away, dude.
I'm not gonna hurt it, I'm just gonna like scare it away.
He's going. See it?
Skedaddle. You ready for this? Mm-hmm. Huh? Are you ready? Mm-hmm. You just love the camera, don't you? Good morning, guys. Baby girl and I are on our way to Carowinds, to Carowinds theme park, and we're bringing you along. So stay tuned. Just got off the Phantom Hawk. It is pretty legit. One of the most exhilarating rides I've ever been on. Basically, you lay down on your back and you do the whole ride backwards. On deck.
They'll be able to see that.
That's a good camera
When they
angle
come
right
over
there.
here, they'll be able to see that.
Nah, that one was a lot more fun than I expected. How about you? That was legit. Going on a little rinky-dink roller coaster now. ride better be good. Yeah, the Carolina Cyclone was good, but it kind of whips your head around. So if you have any leg problem, I recommend not getting on that one. Wear your big boy pants when you come on these, all right? You might need some pull-ups. Getting hungry. Let's check out Papa Luigi's. Papa Luigi's was legit. Should have took a picture of it, but we were so hungry that I forgot all about it. It was like 13 bucks for 2 slices and a breadstick. Not bad for theme park prices, I guess. $20 per person if you want to do that slingshot. You wanna?
No.
I'll pay for you. I'm not gonna do it. I'll film you. Since she's chicking out on the slingshot, we're gonna check out the vortex.
Don't you want to save money anyway?
She's chickening out on the slingshot.
You're the one chickening out. You don't want to get on.
Whatever. We're going on the vortex because you chickened out. So the vortex is really not for men. Literally. My stomach already queasy. Hey.
How are you?
I'm alright. My stomach hurt.
From the ride?
Yeah, this last ride we got on messed me up. So I'm over here waiting for her. She getting on another coaster.
Oh my gosh. I'm just cooking.
Yeah, we getting out of here. We're doing one more and then we out of here. How was it?
That was fun. You should have got on.
My stomach is still upset from that last one.
That was fun.
That was what? The copper? Cobra? Copperhead what? Copperhead stripe. That one right there. Okay. Can we go home now?
You said I could get on one more.
Fine.
So our trip at Carowinds Camp Wilderness has come to an end. We tried to get in another night, but they are jam-packed. So actually, we were supposed to be heading home right now, but we decided to extend our trip one more night. We found, I think it's an Army Corps of Engineer campground in Henderson, North Carolina on Kerr Lake. So we're gonna go there for one night and then we're going home.
We promise this time.
If you didn't see Henry's tutorial on how to make a Slim Jim more enjoyable, you'll have to check that out. We'll link that up above.
It's a lot of work, but it's worth it.
Henry wholeheartedly believes in peeling the Slim Jim. We'll have to keep you guys posted on the RV Garmin. It's been doing some funky stuff on the past few trips. It keeps trying to take us on back roads and stuff like that instead of just staying on the highway, even if there's like no traffic or anything. So if you guys have any input on how to correct that problem, Henry updated it last night, so hopefully it will fix any issues that we've been having, but we'll keep you posted on that. Wait. What happened here? Were you in a bar fight?
Listen, I'll show people later, but this is called
Be careful
with them slide outs. That's $1.50. Right here. This is deceiving. It looks dull, but it's not. Get closer. Right here. It looks dull, but it's not. Like right on the corner.
Ooh. Tore you up.
Gang fight.
10 minutes after we showed you the first injury, there's been a second injury. That's why I gave Henry a beer, so he could just calm down for a bit.
I have a new injury.
Oh my god. So
from the hook over here on this thing right there, bottom hook.
On the trash thing. So now we have...
Okay, they already seen that side. Relax. You're doing too much now.
Anyway, As you can see, even though we're only here for one night, we put this bad boy up because it takes like 2 seconds. And plus it's supposed to rain. So I wanted to show you guys this cool little device that my niece actually put in my RV goodie basket. This brand is called Catchy. I'm not sure where she got it, but I will find an equivalent on Amazon. Typically, I know it's not dark right now, but typically you'll stick this on the countertop in your RV at night, and you want to make sure that all the other lights are actually off, and this should be the only light illuminating the area. And what happens is the bugs go down in here, and there's a slight little suction in there, and they go down to the bottom, and there's like this little sticky disc at the bottom. And I don't know if you can see this, but there's so many mosquitoes down in there that are stuck to that sticky film. And the crazy thing is, we didn't even see these bugs in here. It's just, you know, we throw it on when we go to bed at night, and in the morning there's always new bugs in there. And the contraption actually comes with a few replacement discs, so it's a really cool device, and it's not noisy. That loud noise you hear is actually the AC. This hardly makes any noise, so definitely a cool little contraption to help keep you from getting bit.
This was a very unlevel site, but made it work. This is what it looks like. Not too shabby. Nice wide site. As you can see, we have a view of Kerr Lake. We're not on the water, but at least we have a view of the lake. A beautiful wife enjoying her sphere. Got the hookups all set up. Over here we got water and electric. No sewer this time. This is a state park in North Carolina, so no sewer connections. But they do have a dump station on the way out. Not a whole lot of plans today. We're just gonna hang out and enjoy and seize the day. Cool little fire ring on the slab, which is kind of cool. Just need some wood. Cool, I got wood, but I don't have an axe. That is on my want list, need list actually, because it's pretty good to be able to split your little wood that you get from the place, because sometimes they're really big pieces, big chunky pieces that don't burn well. So that's another little tip. A little gloomy today, but at least there's no rain, right? Can't complain. Good morning, guys. This is our last day camping here in North Carolina. We're headed back home today, so we decided to go on a nice long trail. Well, not that long.
Yeah, I wouldn't say long.
It's less than a mile.
So even though our stay here is only one night at JC Cooper Campground, we just wanted to take a quick moment to walk around and show you some of the sights. And I'm gonna take a quick peek at the bathhouse. As it turns out, that is actually not a bathhouse, that's just a bathroom. So I actually heard that this campground only has one bathhouse for approximately 100 sites. If that's something that you would need here, you may want to consider having your site close to the bathhouse. Definitely, I can't go in there taking pictures right now because there's actually people inside.
Interesting attire you're wearing there, huh?
Why, thank you.
It says bug off. You trying to tell like the people to leave you alone?
No, it actually has built-in repellent. This was actually gifted to Elena, but I wear it more than she does.